Hello friends, I am Subroto Sarkar and today we are going to have our introduction with Python. Okay, first let's open a browser and visit the official Python page. Alright, this is it, https www.python.org. Now there are two versions of Python, the 3.6 and the 2.7. There's a little bit difference in the syntax between both of them. For now we are going to use the 2.7 version and this is the latest one. So let's save it and download. It's done. Now let's install it. We shall install it for all the users. I don't like installing it to the boot drive, so I am changing the path, but you can install it there, and if you don't wish to, you can change the path. Alright, now Python is a really easy to use beginners programming language. You at first you don't need to know anything about what are functions or classes or objects. Python is an object oriented programming language. Now as it has been installed, okay, we are opening the Python IDE. Now here we don't need to define anything from first. Everything here is considered an object. So suppose we want to know the sum of I plus 4, we can do it directly. As simple as that. Now we shall also have our introduction with the hello world program. Now we don't need to define anything or anything as such, just print hello world. And it's that simple. Let's save it. Suppose hello is the file name we are giving it. Now let's run it. See, hello world, it's that simple. Now I would like to end the video tutorial here. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you liked the way.